Insulin. What you need to know for treating diabetes. Diabetes can be a hereditary condition, but it can also be brought on by the effects of a poor lifestyle. Obesity and lack of exercise can predispose you to getting diabetes. The good news is that sometimes it can be reversed by losing weight and getting active. This video can help you to make the changes that you need to get your life in line. There are so many resources online for diabetics, including the American Diabetes Association, so make use of all they have to offer. Many have support groups, videos, research, and even links to local educators, who can help you learn even more. Take the time to know what's going on in your body and you'll live a long, healthy life. If you suffer from diabetes or are at risk of developing the disease, it is a good idea to eat a diet that is high in fiber. Fiber, which is found in fruits, vegetables, whole grains and beans, prevents diabetes by buffering the sugar or carbohydrates in your diet, keeping your blood sugar even instead of having it fluctuate. Make sure to take your diabetes medications exactly as directed. You are not a doctor, nor is anyone else giving you advice other than your physician. They tell you how often to take your prescriptions and how much you should take at a time because they know, so follow their directions. To help yourself deal with a diabetes diagnosis, arrange to meet with a diabetes expert or take a class. Diabetes may seem as though it's overwhelming to live with, but a good instructor can help simplify the disease and give you ways to cope. Getting good advice from a knowledgeable source is invaluable to any diabetes sufferer. Be passionate about having diabetes and become an advocate for the disease. Type 2 diabetes is preventable, and it's costing our government billions of dollars in treatment for people who can't afford it. You may not be one of those who are tapping the system for your care, but speaking up about what you know to help others avoid the disease will help us be able to use our money for more important things. Depression can have a devastating effect on diabetes patients and should be dealt with. If you notice your loved one is acting or feeling sad or depressed, encourage him or her to see a doctor for treatment. Also suggest a support group for diabetics to find the help and emotional support of others in the same position. There are a ton of free ways to lose weight and battle diabetes, from jogging to doing workouts at a local park. You can try doing push-ups or sit-ups when you have some free time, or make extra efforts to move around the house. As already stated, diabetes can be genetic but can also be a result of life choices. People who are obese or inactive have a greater chance to develop diabetes. Exercise and a better diet can greatly improve diabetes, and in some cases, it can reverse it. By implementing the information in this video, you can manage your diabetes instead of letting it control you. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.